Welcome to the Tikit demo series. In today's presentation, we're going to highlight all the places agents and admins can report with Tikit. So Tikit can report in three interesting ways. We can report inside of the web experience, but we also can work inside of the M365 ecosystem and produce Power BI reports as well as live data feeds from Excel. And we're going to highlight all of those today. So inside of the Tikit agent portal, there is a reporting experience. Over here on the right-hand side, on the ticket list area, there's a report icon, and you're presented with a KPI dashboard with a bunch of different widgets that you can evaluate over different time frames. The data here is really good. The only caveat is that this is not editable. So this dashboard, you can look at, you can timestamp and filter through, but if you want to create your own reports above and beyond this, you'll need to use Power BI or Excel. So the second way you can report with Tikit is with Power BI. Tikit provides a Power BI dashboard template that has a set of rich and robust reports available out of the box. I've chosen to publish our Power BI dashboard in Teams, but you can publish this anywhere. SharePoint, you can send it via email on a schedule, things of that nature. But this template provides 13 out-of-the-box reports that serve as a nice visual, very dynamic, graph and list types of experiences here. The other thing you get with our Power BI template is the entire data model and view structure that sits behind this. So if you want to create your own reports based upon this experience, you can easily open up our Power BI template and create your own reports by dragging and dropping different elements, different ticket lists, sliced by categories, and things like that inside of Power BI. And then the third way that you can report is via Excel. Our Excel reporting experience is a live data feed. So I'm going to bring that over here. And this isn't as fancy per se as Power BI, but it's very effective. And the reason I say that is because this is a live data feed. So I can go over the data tab here and I can refresh all. And you'll see here that a live feed will actually come from the system here, and you'll see it's refreshing in the background. And I can have a spreadsheet with one or multiple tabs that show me different lenses of data. So as an example here, I have all my tickets, my software requests, and approvals. And I can then use Excel like I normally would to filter that data. So let's say today I want to look at all of the pending tickets as an example, and I really want to focus in on the legal team. Actually, let's do the facilities team. Get a couple more tickets there. Let's add IT in there as well, just to get some volume here. And you'll see here that it's how you would work naturally in Excel. So the learning curve for your organization is very low because most agents and admins and people that want to report know how to use Excel. The other great thing about this is that you can have separate spreadsheets for different needs. So you can have an HR spreadsheet that's sitting on an HR manager or director's desktop, and they can open that up, and that will let them refresh their data and report however they want across these tabs. And you can have the IT manager, IT director spreadsheet on their desktop, and then the facilities. And you can have as many spreadsheets as you like, live data feed, refreshing, and letting people report however they want, which is a great way to also offload the burden of constant report creation. So again, to recap, there's three ways to report in the product. There's inside the Tikit agent portal and the web experience, there's Power BI as well as Excel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. And if you have any questions, please email team@tikit.ai.